So you want to buy a home, but how? Well, let's learn about that on JTTV. I probably sound like a broken record, but I can't emphasize this enough. Have you spoken with the lender? The very first step on how to buy a home is to talk with the lender. Why? Well, it's important that you are pre-approved and not just pre-qualified, but pre-approved before starting your home search for 3 very important reasons. Number 1, you will know how much you're eligible to afford. Number 2, sellers expect your purchase offer to include your pre-approval letter already, because it will show how serious you are and how able you are as a buyer for their property. And number 3, you will know if there's anything you need to fix in terms of your credit score, your debt to income ratio, and so on. Well, whether you're thinking of purchasing in the next week or in 2 years, it's never too early to start planning. Call me, text me, or DM me, and let's get you started to speak with a lender. Thanks for watching JTTV.